Lemala, Nanyukie. We just arrived. Took a long drive from Ngorongoro, and now we are in the eastern Serengeti. We are in tent number 11. I left the door a little bit open, but this is the foyer with a little lounge, a writing desk. Outside you'll see a plunge pool with 2 sunbeds. I wanted to give you this tour before we completely destroy it before we unpack. This is the bedroom. Beautiful, very, very serene. Again, with a mosquito netting and just with open views towards the outdoors, the Serengeti. It's a closet in the back. Powder table. Closet space. And really the bathrooms are just, come on, you have an indoor tub, right? You have an indoor shower. You have your toilet over here. Double vanity. It's for all your laundry. And there is an optional outdoor shower as well, which is fantastic. So let's take a look at the outdoors. Got this beautiful sitting area. Right, to the outdoor shower. Look at this, gorgeous. There. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. And we are in eastern Serengeti. Love Lemala.